Hi guys, so nasa library ako ngayon ng UPC today, and today is our presentation. Defense later. And this is my outfit. Hindi pa ako tapos sa presentation namin later. I'm doing it. Pero hindi ako kinakabahan. I do not know why. Pero hindi ako kinakabahan. Pero I'm so chill lang. This marks one of the last days here in UPCD as a student. Hopefully, huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Prepare ahead. Ay, alam niyo ba, gusto ko lang din talaga i-share na pinakagusto ko sa thesis is chapters 3 to 5. Yun yung pinakagusto ko. Chapter 1 to 2, hindi ko siya gusto. Nahihirapan ako every time is introduction. Like, how do you introduce something? Pwede bang straight to the point? But eto na yun eh. Eto na, sabihin ko na. Hindi yung ang dami-dami sinasabi bago ko pa pumunta sa point. Kasi hindi ako magaling do what words to use, especially sa introduction. Like, the groups show consistent meeting ratings of 3. Surfactants, and combining it with a chelating agent may enhance its performance. So it's 1 p.m. and kakain na kami. 3 p.m. pa naman in defense. Nakapag-practice na kami sa... Ay, joke, di pa pala kami nakapag-practice. Individual pa lang. Practice pa kami.
Magnification will validate the present here under what belongs to these features. Assemble by this.
Kaya yan.
Kaya ma'am.
Kaya yan. Bibili na lang.
Yes,
Resources Sinensis Oriental Castillo. This plant is rich in saponins.
So, 5 minutes before our presentation, and hindi pa rin ako kinakabahan, slight lang.
Your removal scores. Meanwhile,
Is the inorganic portion of the smear layer. Hi guys, so we're done with our defense! Punta kami ngayon MOA just to celebrate and see the drones in the sky. So wicked. Hindi pa yan natutulog.
Yes, 4 a.m.
So ayun, nanood kami ng drone show. Hi! Mga galing thesis defense. So manood kayo ng Wicked on November 19.
2, 3, go. Gumita ka.
Okay. Okay. So ito try ang Founder's Donuts. Hindi ko lasa yung Philadelphia. Lotus Biscoff.
ang sarap po.
Yeah.
I like this one better.